When we talk about shares in share market, it is basically a bunch of all the approximately 5,000 companies that are listed in India. So आप मान लो कि you have to invest in Reliance, TCS. These are some of the top names
Yeah.
that are listed. So you go to any broker, wherever you have your demat account. You buy shares of that company. So one more important thing is कि whenever you are buying a shares, you have to buy it in whole numbers.
Right.
It will be 1, 2, 3, whatever amount you are investing in. That is basically partial ownership of a company that you are investing in.
Okay.
But when we come about investing in SIPs or mutual funds, so before jumping directly onto SIP, I will also explain what mutual funds is. So mutual funds is basically a basket of stocks. Randomly, I would say a stock selection of 40, 50 stocks that your fund will be investing in. Now, currently, there are around, I guess, 2 to 3,000 mutual funds also in India across 40 to 50 AMCs. So AMCs are the asset management companies, and every AMC has around a different set, a basket of their mutual funds. Now, which mutual fund you have to invest in depends on your risk appetite, your asset allocation, and your financial needs. And SIP is basically a way of investing in mutual funds.
All right. So it's more like a tool.
It's more like a tool. SIP, it can be a daily SIP, a monthly SIP, a weekly SIP. So what SIP is now? SIP में होता क्या है कि you decide a pre amount on a pre-specific date. So that amount will be automatically debited from your bank account,
Right.
and that number of units will be purchased on your behalf for the specific fund that you have applied for an SIP for. And the main importance of SIP is the rupee cost averaging, I would say.
Okay.
Whenever you are investing in an SIP, every month or every day, every week, that amount is getting debited. And you are getting units for that amount. Sometimes when the markets are low, you might get higher number of units because the NAV of that fund would be low.
Right.
But on the other hand, when the markets are high, the NAV would be high, so you would get less units. But when we talk about SIPs on a very longer horizon, usually 5-10 years, the returns are tremendous.